What's up, guys? Want to show y'all this catch can I'm making for the Evo. It is a trans-mounted oil catch can. I got the drain plug, I got everything tacked up. Just gotta put the top part, weld two 12A ends, and then put my two breathers on there. And yeah, I can do a little time lapse for y'all. I am not a good welder, but I can put stuff together. I'm self-taught, and let's see what I can do with this thing. All right, guys, and this is the finished product. I was able to get some solid welds in here and there. So we got two breathers, two 12AN fittings, drain plug, and the trans mount. I think it came out pretty good. I'm excited to throw this on. All right, so this is it installed. It's a pretty tight fit. As you can see, it's almost hitting the master right there, but there's not. There's some clearance there. If you come up top, nice and snug fit. One AN going here, one AN going right behind here. Enough space to run one. One going here, one going here. And yeah, that's the new catch can.